Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable the two-factor authentication into your Fortnite account. So first thing that you do is simply open up a web browser and just simply search in the Google Epic Games. And after that guys, just simply go ahead and go to the official website of the Epic Games. And now from here, just simply click on sign in on the top right corner of the screen. So guys, from here, just simply sign in into your account using these platforms, or you can manually sign in. Now guys, once you are signed in, just simply wait for it to load up. And after that, just simply click on your profile on the top right corner of the screen, and a drop down will show up, and just simply go for the account over here. And now after that, once you are on the account, just simply go for password and security on the left side of the screen. And now, guys, from here, Epic Games is requiring us to have a two-factor authentication to access the password and security page. So just simply click on continue. And from here, guys, a 6-digit code will be sent to your email. So just simply go to your mail. So guys, the email will look something like this. So just simply copy this code. And after that, just simply paste it over here and click on continue. And after that, guys, from here right away, we should be able to see the two-factor authentication, and you can set it up by the Authenticator app, email, or your phone number. So guys, in my case, I will be setting it up with my email. So pretty much it will be depending on you on these three options. And after that, guys, an email will be sent to you, and just simply go to your mail again. And the email will look something like this. So just simply copy this mail, and after that, paste it over here and click on enable email authentication. And guys, it will be the same thing on the SMS. A code will be sent to you, and in the Authenticator app, you should be able to see here some instruction on how to enable it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.